Hey, welcome back to my channel. Most of the people ask me, right, how to create a architecture diagrams, and that's gonna be time consumed, and it's take you bunch of time from you to create architecture diagram and create a Terraform ones. All I'm gonna show you today, like you can do both the ones at go. All you need to do is like log into the app, brain board, so you can access to your Gmail ID, and once you log in, you might have this screen where you can create your architecture diagram from template to provision to cloud provider with Terraform, and build from scratch, give the project and development and architecture one. And you can do with AI as well. All you need to be define the prompt to it. So you can choose project, you can choose whatever the development environment and give your prompt, and it's automatically going to create you the architecture diagram and as well the Terraform template. So all I'm going to do it right. So I'm going to build Azure Chaos Resilient Architecture here. I click it. So I'm going to use this template. So this has already been it's already been there in my create architecture one. So if I click it here, so it's gonna create me more than um, 52 resources, and it's gonna show me the version, which is gonna show me the provider, and it's gonna show me the variable and local output or input ones. And all I need to do is like I can drag and drop um, the services from Azure, and it's gonna generate me the code as well. So if I wanted to use this template, I have multiple templates, I can use it. So the beauty of it, right? So the moment you push that, you will gonna get a Terraform files gonna generated. So you have main dot and TF, which is generated depending upon your architecture diagram. So if I'm gonna show you this architecture diagram, let's zoom in further for you. So uh, it has those rule conditions. It's just gonna define into the VPC, and it's showing like what credential it needs to be done. So it gonna have the actions you can apply, destroy, you can validate them as well, right? This job is scheduled to execute to validate, it's gonna run, it's gonna take the job, and it's gonna do a backend. um, this pipeline is already created for you. So if you go here, if you go to the pipeline, you already have the Terraform validated pipeline kicks in, and you have your templates, you can define two templates, and you have a drift detections as well within that. The good part is like you can play with this one. You have a different development ones. The people who are new to create architecture diagrams or Terraform, they can come here and they can take this code one, and they can understand, and they can clone it and play with it. And it's more like drag and drop Visual Studio for you. And nothing much you need to do is like all you need to go and see the back end, the front end, the architecture, and Terraforms ones. And I hope you like this, and I'm gonna make you guys to use this one as well. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.